Welcome to week 8. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the eighth and last week of our 8-week session. As usual, every Sunday I will send an announcement letting you know what's coming up for the week. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented below. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. This week we are going to be studying chapter 13, Urban Patterns. Please read pages 458 to 496. Remember to also look at the PowerPoints, read the study guides, and watch the lecture videos. It is a good idea to complete the next set of key concepts for chapter 13 as you read the class material. These will be due the last week of the class. May map quiz number 5, Oceania, already available and is due Friday, May 29th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 4 is due tonight, Sunday, 5/24 by 11:59 p.m. I graded the last 2 reflections, so you should know what the expectations for these assignments are. Key concept questions of chapter 9 through 13 are due Saturday, May 30th by 11:59 p.m. Related to the last section, an astonishing number of students are missing assignments. This is the last week of the class. When are these missing assignments going to be completed? Remember that you can always submit assignments even past the deadlines, but the farther away you are from the deadline, the more points will be deducted. Once the class is over June 1st, you won't be able to submit anything. Exam number 3, chapters 9 through 13, will be available on Monday, May 25th, and is due Sunday, May 31st by 11:59 p.m. Some of you have asked for extra credit. I usually do not have extra credit assignments for these condensed 8-week classes. As far as grading, please keep in mind that I grade strictly by the total number of points, not percentages that are shown on Canvas. Keep in mind this grading scale on the weights in points of the assignments and look at your total number of points to determine the points you need to get the grade that you want in this class. The grade will be determined based on the following grading scale. 900 to 1,000 points gives you an A. 800 to 899 gives you a B. 700 to 799 gives you a C. 600 to 699 gives you a D. And anything less than 600 points will be an F. Remember that after this weekend's assignments are submitted, we will have about 170 more points left. Like I said, I will be grading your completed assignments quickly after the deadline, so you know where you stand in number of points. I'll do a final update on points in the announcement next Sunday. Be safe and healthy and have a great rest of the week. We will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.